it's Raz, and I'm here with my sister, Sabrina.
Hey guys, and today we're going to be making everyone's favorite 2017/2016 trend that's way overused, slime. So, first...
Everybody uses it.
So, now I'm going to show you another lame tutorial of how to make it. So, first you're going to need lotion. You're going to need lotion, glue, baking soda, this, shaving cream, and shower gel. Awesome. Now let's get started. Hope you caught all that. None of this will be in the description. All right.
Yeah, none of it. Okay.
So first you're going to take your plate.
Or your bowl or whatever.
And your stick. Next you want to...
Or your spoon.
And first you're going to want to start off with some shaving cream. Hold on. I'm so stupid. I forgot to take the lid off. Perfect.
Okay, so it's up. Wait, I can't see it. Okay.
And now you can take some shower gel.
And just like put it on like a sundae.
Oops. Yeah. Wait, hold on. Let me put a cloth down so we don't get this everywhere.
Sorry, it's a little bit dirty. Okay, now you have to mix it a little bit.
And now you're going to want to add a ton of lotion. Like literally a ton of lotion. Perfect. Now you're going to want to mix that.
All of it.
Awesome. And now you're going to want to add some baking soda.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Now the final ingredient, the glue.
I don't think that glue works. We need a different glue. Clear glue always works.
Awesome. Now you're just going to want to mix that really good. And now you have
a total disaster.
Now we're going to show you how to make a different slime alternative that's not lame, overused, or plain out stupid. Now for this slime alternative, we're actually going to use a base to start with. And this is something you guys have all probably had. Yep, you guessed it, it's Play-Doh.
2+, so if you're 1...
No, you can't do this. No. I'm sorry. Get out. Now.
Yeah, no.
Bye.
Out. Bye. Bye.
So here are the ingredients that we used.
Shaving cream,
lotion,
shower gel, Play-Doh,
and the most important ingredient, baking soda.
A lot
of baking soda.
So if you're like low on baking soda, like if you have it but it's like really low,
make a stop at the grocery store because you're gonna need a lot of this stuff.
Yeah.
But without any further ado, let's get started.
By the way, if you're making this and you're putting it on YouTube and you're just copying our recipe, stop it or
Please give us credit because we spent kind of a long time on this. All right, let's get started now. So the first thing you're going to do is get your Play-Doh out. And we are using a small chunk of the Play-Doh because we don't want to waste a whole bunch. So the first thing you're going to need to do is add lotion, shower gel, anything to make it super duper sticky. And you're just going to want to mix that in until it's well combined. You can stop here and leave the Play-Doh like that because I do think that it is a cool texture. But if you want to do the recipe that we're going to show you, keep on mixing and add more lotion and shower gel and shaving cream until it gets super duper sticky. Like it sticks to your hand sticky, kind of like this.
And also, when you're done with it, it's sort of like butter slime, but it's not really butter slime.
Yeah. See how it kind of starting to stick to my hand? That's awesome. Now we're going to get on to the next step. Now this is the fun part. You're going to want to lay out a little bit of baking soda straight onto the table.
Actually, a lot of it.
Yeah, a lot of it.
I'm going to show you that.
Then you're going to want to take your little slime and roll it around in the baking soda until it's no longer sticky.
Also, you can do it with your already pre-made slime that just needs to be...
If it gets too moist in the container, feel free to freshen up with some baking soda.
And also, this does not make like slime if you just don't play with it a lot. It'll be like watery and stuff, but this doesn't get that watery.
Yeah, it's Play-Doh, so that means it does dry out, but it's still really cool.
But if you put it in the Play-Doh container that was in before, then it won't dry out at all. But it will if you never put the cap on or if you just leave it sitting out.
It's not kinetic sand, guys. Come on. So do it until your slime is kind of crumbly and super soft. It should be super duper soft depending on how much lotion and shaving cream you added. Now, if you did this right, you should have a super cool, super duper soft putty.
And also you can add things like shaving cream or like...
If it gets a little bit too dried out or if it gets a little bit too moist, just sprinkle some extra baking soda on there and knead it in. It should be fine. And
if it's like, if your Play-Doh is like a boring color and you don't like it, you can also add paint.
Yeah. Although the paint might get all over your hands because we really haven't tried this. But...
Because ours is blue, and we like blue, so we're just keeping it blue.
Because this is not slime, it is a putty, and it's not lame or overused.
Putties are not that popular.
Honestly, I don't understand why they don't get more credit.
Yeah, slime's the big deal.
Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it.
Anyways, it's a very quick and easy way. If you're having like a birthday party and you want
some party favors, or even if you want to take this on the go, you could use a small travel container.
Where we don't know.
We don't know where we put our travel container. Oh well. Any old thing should do. Such as...
Oh, there it is.
There's a little travel container.
So we're using like a pill container. So just open it.
Oh, we'll clean it off.
And we got that on camera.
Yep. We're putting that in the video, right?
Yep.
Yep.
Fail. But we're definitely going to clean it up off his phone.
Yep. See, if you want to, bring it on the go or something to, knead it on the car ride, put some in a little bit in a container or like a bag or something.
Like a Shopkins
bag. Pretty much anything could work.
If it has like a little seal thing.
As long as it's in a pretty tight seal, your putty should be fine.
And you can take it anywhere. Even like little old makeup containers, that will work too.
Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll let Kira take it from here.
So, I hope you guys enjoy.